audience and watching that audience grow. But also running the channel with good friends, moving into an office, traveling to events and meeting developers from all over the world. But of course, all good things must come to an end.
Last week while I was browsing YouTube, I suddenly came across a title from Brackeys, and he said that goodbye and thanks for everything. I didn't believe that the content of this video was serious, and I thought it was a joke or a April Fool's Day, but it wasn't. And yes, the person who made me a game developer was leaving YouTube forever, and he is not going to upload anymore. The news was shocking and sad, and I didn't feel well until a few hours after watching the video, and I didn't believe it until I decided to make a game to thank Brackeys and all the hard work it has put into game development for these years. As he said, every beginning has an end, and what better way to end this good story with a game. I made a 2D project and named it Brackeys the Legend. Then I started to download all the assets they had consumed, and yes, I added them to the project. The important point of this game was to make the character of Brackeys in a way that is recognizable to everyone and of course similar. I created the character with pixel art and handled the animation with Unity. I made different animations for the characters inside the assets, and then I made 6 levels for the game. Then I gave some characters a simple AI just to make the game look more interesting and cool. In this game, the player has to find the Brackeys logo and then use the door to load next level. So I had to make this difficult first. For this purpose, I dimmed the game light. Then it was the turn of the code, and since I'm the worst programmer in the world, I accepted this challenge. Finally, I added a cutscene for the level to make it more like a game. And for each cutscene I added a series of Brackeys sounds together and mixed them. And of course I added 3 music for the levels, and that's a few seconds of gameplay. I uploaded the game in itch.io and you can download it from the link inside the description. I hope you enjoyed the video and also the game, and please share it and let me know what's your comments about this game. I made this game with the help of my teammate and I thank them all. I hope he comes back one day, and thanks for watching.